Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials: a static IP, proper server name, and server 2019 installed. Once done, open Server Manager and add the ADDS role. This is the concrete first step because ADDS creates the domain services you need. Make sure to choose a clear DNS domain name that matches your plan and note the NetBIOS short name. You're setting the foundation. Correct IP and role, install, avoid replication, and DNS problems later. Once ADDS is installed, click Promote this server to a domain controller. You'll choose Add a new forest if this is the first domain, and type the full DNS name for the domain. This binds Active Directory to DNS, which is why DNS accuracy matters. Next, set the directory services restore mode password and accept DNS delegation prompts if shown. Review the wizard's prerequisite check. Resolving any warnings now prevents failures during promotion and ensures DNS and replication. After promotion, reboot and confirm the server advertises DNS records. Run dcdiag and enslookup to verify health. Then join a client machine to the new domain using domain/username credentials to test authentication and group policy application. If something goes wrong, check the system and directory service event logs, confirm the static IP, DNS settings on clients, and firewall rules allowing LDAP and DNS. One key troubleshooting tip: wrong DNS on clients is the most common cause. Point clients to the DC's DNS first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.